Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laksmy and I'm back with another video. So if you've seen the title of today's video, I am going to be doing my very first IPSY bag unboxing or unbagging. Now, like, along with my BoxyCharm, I have been receiving IPSY bags for about 3 months now, but because of my move and personal stuff that I've been going through, I haven't been able to film my unboxing. So this is gonna be the first one, and it's gonna be for the month of August. Now, I haven't even opened this package yet. I don't know what's in here. This is how the normal IPSY bag packaging comes in this little hot pink foiled envelope bag type thing. I'm not gonna show you guys the front because my address is there and I don't want stalkers stalking me. I'm messing with you guys. But anyway, it's only one little bag that comes in here. This is this month's bag. It's this little, I don't know what, it's like a tangerine, like a light tangerine color, and it has a yellow, what is this called? I know you guys are saying it right now. I know you guys are like yelling what it is, but I can't remember. Tassel. It has a yellow tassel for a zipper. And let's see what's inside. Alright, the first item in the bag is this Glow 2 highlighter by Ciate. I don't know if it's Ciate or Ciate. Listen, if I'm butchering this, please leave it down below because I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is what it looks like. Now, if you guys don't know what IPSY is basically a monthly subscription for a little beauty bag, and it sends you some trial size beauty products so you can try them out and basically determine whether you like them and want to continue to use them, so you can go ahead and purchase the full-size products. I don't remember how many come in a bag. I think it's 5 to 6 travel size items. So this is the first item in the bag. This is supposed to be a highlighter. It says illuminating powder highlighter. Let's open it up. I already have a full face of makeup, so I can't really try most of these things on. This is what it comes in, or comes with. Now I can try this on because it's a highlighter, and you know, a girl can never wear enough highlighter because you already know. So let me see if I can try to open this contraption. There we go. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna swatch this. Ooh, I'm gonna swatch this in the back of my hand. Show you guys. Okay. That is pretty awesome. I'm not gonna put it on my face actually. I'm just gonna like leave it as a swatch, but you guys can see it's very pigmented and very shiny. I might like this one. They don't send the prices for the full size items just because they're travel sizes. This one is called Moon Dust. I really like this one, and again, is the Glow 2 highlighter by Ciate or Ciate, whatever. It's this brand. Correct me, I don't know what it's called. Okay, so the second item in the bag is going to be this little product here by Ofra Cosmetics, I think it's called. Okay, this is supposed to be a eyeshadow in Blue Jeans. So that's the name of the eyeshadow shade. Like I said, these are all travel sizes or like samples. They're sample sizes. They're not actual, you know, full-size products. Sorry, this almost fell off. Well, it comes in here. You open this up. This is the shade, and it really looks like Blue Jeans, which is funny. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. It sucks so bad because now that I'm like doing YouTube and stuff, every time I want to swatch something, this is like my swatching hand, and I happen to have my tattoo there, so I can only swatch so much on the back of my hand, and I'm a righty, so I can't really use it's uncomfortable to use my left hand. But anyway, I'm gonna swatch this color. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, so it's like a metallic blue. It's not a matte blue. Ooh, that is so nice. And you already know that Ofra has like really good cosmetics. So I will definitely be buying the full size of this because this is dope. I'm gonna definitely do an eye look with this one though. I love blue eyeshadow. Oh, my bad. And I think the theme for this bag, or for this month's bag, is supposed to be selfies with no filter. And this is, again, like I said, for the August 2018 IPSY bag. This came in there. I'm like all sorts of crazy. Guys, these are my first unboxing and unbagging videos, so just bear with me. We'll get a hang of this together because I'm not a pro at this stuff. Okay, so the third item in the bag is going to be this little... Ooh, okay. I'm so excited. I've heard about this brand. It's called Thrive Cosmetics by one of my favorite YouTubers, Kathleen Lights, and she really likes this brand. Now, I've never used this brand. I don't know anything by them. This is supposed to be a liquid lash extensions mascara, length and volume, and it says it has orchid stem cell complex. I'm excited. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Again, it's a travel size or sample size. And it has some pictures in the back of what it could do or the differences before and after using it. And let me open this. This is so cute, like a little mini mascara. What? Hold up. Ooh, this is so freaking cute. Oh, okay. I don't know if I really like this wand. I don't know how I feel about it. It's not my favorite kind. I've used wands like this before and I end up hating them, but I am not going to diss it until I actually try it. I already have mascara on, so unfortunately I can't try it now. But I will definitely let you guys know down below how I feel about this little buddy once I upload the video. I'm so excited about this. I am actually collecting mascaras. I have really ugly and like thin and little short lashes, so I've been like on the hunt for like the best mascaras out there for people that have very like thin short lashes like me, and I found some good ones. I'm very excited to try this one though. I'm gonna look it up. Alright, so the fourth item in the bag is going to be this thing here. What is this? It says the black tea. I guess that's the, I don't know if it's the brand name or if it's the name of the item. It says Tony Moly or Moly. I've never heard of this before. I'm not sure what this is. An under eye? Sorry, it clearly says it on the bottle, or the little thingy it says is an anti-aging skincare serum. It was right there the whole time. Okay, like I said, I can't try this. I have makeup on, but I will definitely give this a try and let you guys know how I feel about it. I've never heard of this brand, Tony Moly or Molly. I'm not sure, but you know, I'll try it out. Alright, the last item in the bag is going to be this little guy here, and this is a exfoliating cleanser by Murad. I have heard high things about this brand. I have never tried it though, so you know, I can't say anything. I can't say if I like it or not like it because I haven't tried it. I don't know how I feel about using an exfoliating cleanser right now. My skin is going through like a really bad time, and I am breaking out a lot, and everything is just really bad on my skin. So I'm like terrified to like try new things or new like exfoliators or cleansers, or you know, I don't know how I feel about it right now, but who knows, this might be good for my skin. I'll try it one time and see how I feel about it. And again, you can't really judge with one-time use, but I'm just not too excited about trying new things on my skin right now until, you know, it starts healing. Basically, you wash your face with this thing. You can use it in the mornings and at night. I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try for one day and see how I feel about it. I have very oily skin, but right now my skin is going through so much, so it's really dry in some areas. Like in my T-zone is really dry and very sensitive. But I'll give it a try. This is what it looks like. I can't even like focus it. There we go. Alright, so that's everything that came in my bag. In my bag this month I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And the thing that I'm most excited about, I'm not going to lie, is this mascara. Just because I'm very into mascara of late, so I'm very excited to try this buddy here. And the thing that I'm least excited about for sure is going to be the face exfoliator. I I don't like getting, I don't know, I'm not so excited about it, so it is what it is. Anyway, that wraps up this month's IPSY bag unbagging or unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. If you do, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what the heck are you waiting for? Like, I keep telling you this all the time. Yes, you right now, you subscribe, please, please. Anyway, thank you guys so much for the love. Thank you for the support, and stay tuned for my next video.